Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Amplify for mobile app analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS Amplify for mobile app analytics, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amplify service from the list of AWS services. If you haven't created an Amplify app yet, click on Get Started. Follow the prompts to create a new Amplify app, linking it to your code repository. Once your app is created, locate the Analytics section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Analytics option to start the configuration process. Here, you will see options for different analytics providers. Choose the preferred provider for your mobile app analytics, like Amazon Pinpoint. Once selected, follow the on-screen instructions to configure the provider. You will now need to set up an Amazon Pinpoint project if you haven't already. To do this, click on the Setup button to create a new Pinpoint project. Fill in the necessary details, such as project name and region. After configuring Pinpoint, return to the Amplify console. In the Analytics configuration, specify your Pinpoint app ID. Enable the necessary permissions for your app to send analytics data. Save your changes to finalize the analytics integration. Next, you will need to install the Amplify libraries in your mobile app project. For iOS, use CocoaPods by adding the Amplify and Analytics dependencies to your pod file. For Android, add the Amplify dependencies in your build.gradle file. Once the libraries are added, run the respective package manager commands to install them. After installing the libraries, initialize Amplify in your app's main entry file. Create a configuration file to set up the Analytics category. Add the necessary configurations, such as the Pinpoint app ID and region. Once the setup is complete, test the integration by sending a sample event. Implement code to log user interactions and behaviors within your app. Review the analytics data being sent to Amazon Pinpoint in the AWS Management Console. Monitor these metrics to gain insights into user engagement and app performance. If any issues arise during setup, consult the AWS Amplify documentation for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, your mobile app will be equipped with AWS Amplify analytics functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.